a town so sunny where streets were dry, a water truck rolled a sight forever. I'd paint bright in color so bold, a magical truck with a giant tank upon its back. The water truck set on its daily track through neighborhoods and streets. It had roamed, bringing joy to gardens. The driver, a wizard in a cap so blue, turned an isle and water he threw, a sprinkle for flowers, a splash for a tree, a cool. Children ran out with buckets and cheers as the water truck drew ever near. It danced with rainbows in the midday sun, a watery spectacle. Gray lawns with a rhythmic beat, a summer serenade in the summer's heat. Gardens bathed in a liquid sheen, a refreshing sight. Oh, water truck, oh, bringer of delight, quenching the town's thirst, a joyful sight. With each turn of the wheel and water's flow, you make the town bloom. So here's to the water truck, our watery friend, a liquid symphony that never does end in the sunny town where the streets were dry.